Ever pondered the process of sharing your screen on Facebook Messenger? Well, the mystery is about to unravel as we dive into this step-by-step guide to navigate you through the process. First things first, you'll need to ensure you have the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your device. Whether you're on a smartphone or desktop, keeping your applications updated is essential for accessing the latest features. Step 1 in this process is opening a conversation on Facebook Messenger. This can be an existing conversation or a new one, depending on who you want to share your screen with. Moving on to step 2, look for the video icon at the top right corner of the conversation. This is the button that initiates a video call. Go ahead and give it a tap. Now, you've initiated a video call. As we step into the third phase, pay attention to the screen. You'll notice an array of icons, each representing a different function. Search for the one that looks like a monitor or screen. Found it? That's the screen share button. Without hesitation, tap on the screen share button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to start screen sharing. Proceed by tapping on Start Sharing. Voila! You're now sharing your screen. Everything visible on your screen will be visible to the person on the other end of the call. So, be mindful of what you have open on your device. If you wish to stop sharing your screen, simply return to the call screen and tap the screen share icon again. A prompt will appear asking to stop sharing. Tap Stop Sharing and your screen sharing session will cease. So, there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to sharing your screen on Facebook Messenger. To summarize, we discussed 1. Ensuring your Messenger application is updated. 1. Opening a conversation and initiating a video call. 1. Tapping the screen share icon and confirming to start sharing. 1. Stopping the screen share when you're done. Remember, while screen sharing can be a useful tool, it's also important to be aware of what's visible on your screen to maintain your privacy. So go ahead, give it a try, and bring a new dynamic to your Facebook Messenger conversations. Whether you're showing off a cool new app or troubleshooting a tech problem with a friend, screen sharing is a handy tool to have in your digital repertoire.